Welcome. I'm Paul Raymond Goulet, the founder and CEO of Little Rays Exhibitions and Little Rays Nature Centers. We're here in Cleveland with our incredible exhibit, Wildlife Rescue, Miracles in Conservation. Miracles in Conservation is one of two exhibits we have in this iteration, and this one celebrates the incredible work people have done over the years to help animals that were on the brink of extinction, not just to recover to sustainable numbers in human care, but have seen success with them being reintroduced back into their natural habitat. Wildlife Rescue Hope on the Horizon looks at animals and species today that are literally on the brink and need help today with their recovery, and encourages people to get involved with local and global programs to help some of the species at highest risk in today's world. With all of our exhibits, our goal is to have people come, interact, explore, engage with real-life people that are inside the exhibit, learn about incredible animals, and get a greater appreciation for all wildlife. But at the core of everything is we want people to come to these exhibits and understand that even the smallest contributions that they make can have a massive impact on both domestic and global conservation efforts happening around the world. I hope you enjoy Wildlife Rescue, Miracles in Conservation.
I am overjoyed to be able to share with you the Wildlife Rescue exhibit. So come on, let me show you a good time. As soon as you walk in, you will see you are surrounded by amazing animal graphics. You will see interactives everywhere to keep you and your family entertained. And of course, live animals everywhere that we can't wait to show you.
Along with our large assortment of animals, we have conservation stories throughout the exhibit that drive home our message of conservation of animals around the world.
Being the museum's media relations manager, I had a pretty unique perspective, and I got to work very closely with Dan, Josh, and the entire Wildlife Rescue team. And one of the easiest parts of it was just being able to contact Little Rays Nature Center at any point and ask questions about the animals, learn more about them, figure out the best way to portray them on camera to reach our audiences. And they were so helpful every single time that I needed more information. Having Little Rays Wildlife Rescue exhibit here at the museum for the past year has been absolutely magical, and I personally have watched it touch audiences in a way that past exhibits just couldn't, and we're truly going to miss them.
One thing that makes our exhibitions and offering truly unique is that we are truly turnkey. We provide everything. We have staff that come help to manage the setup. We need a handful of people from your team for a couple of days, but our exhibits are fully staffed, people on the floor doing interpretation and animal care every day, open to close, 7 days a week. On top of that, we actually provide live programming in the theater area inside of the exhibit where guests can come sit and learn in a more formal environment, and provide curriculum programming from kindergarten right through high school for your education staff, and work with your education team. We will train them so they can bring their groups into the exhibit and have a firm understanding of how it works, and even train them to help interact with some of the animals for the groups that they might come in, and give them truly unique experiences. And of course, make sure that all of the programming we're providing is suitable for the market that your museum is in.